What you don't know about apple cider vinegar. Hello everyone. Today's video is about apple cider vinegar. We will talk about the wonderful benefits of this miraculous drink, as well as its benefits for the body and hair. First, you must know which type to buy. Do not buy any type according to the criteria that must be met: uncooked, unfiltered, and unpasteurized. This is because the pasteurized, filtered type contains a lot of preservatives. The basic substances in apple cider vinegar are called citric acid and malic acid, and enzymes are broken down by it. Thus, we cannot benefit from it at all. Apple cider vinegar is forbidden for those who suffer from ulcers, stomach bleeding, and if you are allergic to anything, do not take vinegar or apple cider vinegar because it increases histamine in the body. Benefits of apple cider vinegar. External use. A cotton ball is used to permanently remove acne by dipping it in a solution of apple cider vinegar diluted with water. Apple cider vinegar is the most effective treatment for inflamed skin, as it can be applied by passing a cotton soaked in diluted vinegar over the affected area. Young individuals suffering from wrinkled skin can effectively treat it by diluting apple cider vinegar with water. Dandruff is caused by dead scalp skin, often caused by fungi, infections, immune deficiency, or vitamin deficiency. Apple cider vinegar, which kills bacteria and fungi, can help eliminate dandruff. To use, mix a quarter cup of vinegar with water, rinse, and leave on hair for 10 minutes before rinsing. Apple cider vinegar effectively cleans and closes face pores due to its significant role in skin tightening. To combat foot fungi and odor, mix a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar with warm water for a quarter hour, then rinse with plain water. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times a week, and the fungus and foot smell should disappear within 2 to 3 weeks. One of the things that makes cellulite reduce significantly, we bring a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and then rub the areas that have cellulite, whether the thighs, abdomen, or buttocks, twice a week. After 2 to 3 months, you will notice noticeable results. Fat will decrease, the skin will become firmer, and the health of the skin will become significantly better. For more, visit our site, beautyfithealth.com, like and share the video to share the benefits, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube at BeautyFitHealth and activate the bell to receive all news. Internal use of apple cider vinegar. To achieve teeth whitening, we take a spoonful of apple cider vinegar and add 2 crushed tablets of activated charcoal, used for stomach gas. You can buy it at the pharmacy. And put a spoonful of sodium bicarbonate on them. This mixture may cause bubbles, but it's normal. Rinse your mouth and brush your teeth with this mixture. Avoid overuse. Use once a month or twice a month, as frequent use can cause tooth erosion. The vinegar cleans bacteria, while the bicarbonate eliminates tooth pigments. The charcoal powder absorbs stuck colors and formulas. Sore throat, gargle 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water, then drink through a straw to kill throat microbes, ensuring mouth protection. Esophageal reflux. You must remember that if there is an ulcer in the esophagus or stomach, it is forbidden to take anything acidic so as not to erode the stomach. Let us explain to you something scientific about stomach acidity. God created stomach acid to be very high. When its level is 1 or 2, the stomach lid is closed. This is due to its very high degree, which, if it reaches the esophagus, burns it. However, if the stomach pH is 5 or 6, which is very weak, the stomach hood is open and thus this acid rises into the esophagus, causing acidity. When you take an acid such as apple cider vinegar, the stomach acid rises again, which closes the stomach lining, so the acid does not rise into the esophagus. Take apple cider vinegar after any meal. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water when eating any meal. This leads, as we mentioned, to an increase in acid in the stomach. This in turn leads to an increase in the efficiency of the digestive system, and thus the following occurs. The liver is cleaned. Getting rid of anemia. Treatment of leaky intestine. The gallbladder also secretes its juices. Any bacteria that enters the stomach with food dies. The enzyme lipase, which digests proteins, is released. protein breaks down perfectly, making for better digestion. In addition to the pancreas, produces enzymes that digest food and fats. All minerals, vitamin B12 and iron are absorbed quickly, and the body makes excellent use of them. To reduce blood sugar, it is known that diabetics have high blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar, like insulin, reduces blood sugar. When a diabetic takes a spoonful of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water twice a day, the blood sugar drops from 30 to 40 degrees. This means that if it is 180, it becomes 140 with reduced sugar. Weight loss. Let us agree that there is only something that will help you lose weight if the number of calories is low, you eat healthy food, and your insulin is also low. When you drink a glass of water with a spoonful of vinegar in it, it suppresses your appetite. In addition, it reduces blood sugar, as we mentioned, and thus fat does not form. In this case, it is normal for the weight to decrease. This is why you must be fully aware that no treatment reduces weight, but many things affect appetite, clean the liver, or reduce fat, and thus reduce weight. Remember, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet or using it for medical purposes. Enjoy the benefits of this versatile product responsibly. Some of the best-selling apple cider vinegar products. You can buy any product by using this iHerb discount coupon, JTB8516, to get more than 20% discount and free shipping when buying for $25. The link is in the description. 1. Natural factors. Fermented apple, cider vinegar, 500 milliliters. Fermented with the Mother is a non-GMO, sugar-free dietary supplement that provides digestion and weight support, has been tested for up to 800 contaminants, and offers a healthier alternative to gummies. 2. Dynamic Health, apple cider vinegar with Mother. Dynamic Health provides USDA organic, no added sugar, and certified organic by CCOF juice concentrates, ensuring consumers can trust organic options. If you have any requests or inquiries, leave them in the comments.